do you like the winter wonderland?
Mommy, winter is the best!
Winter is cold, but at the same time, it warms up your heart. It is the season to be jolly. It is the season to enjoy a hot cup of chocolate. It is the season to be cozy. This year, we had our first snow December 16th.
Let's go home before it becomes crazy.
I don't like driving on the snow. I guess that's pretty common. Who would like to drive on an icy, slippery road? It can get pretty dangerous sometimes. Snow is just starting. Flurries are coming down. Now I see that they are staying on the ground. Very soon there will be layers and layers of snow. Today we are expecting at least 7 to 8 inches of snow. The best part of a snowstorm is when you are inside your own home, warm, cozy and safe, and you can enjoy the mesmerizing view of snowfall from your window. Words can't describe it. It is so beautiful. Our kids are more excited than us as they do not need to drive to work or back home. They do not have to clean the driveway. Schools are usually closed the next day, so winter means fun with snow for them. Yes, we could not wait until the blizzard stops. We were so excited that we had to come outside and enjoy the snow on our face. My husband is doing his first round of snow plowing. Yes, if you wait overnight to do the snow plowing the next morning, it may be a little difficult for you because the plower may not be able to clean all the snow that will be piling up through the night. The snow plowing trucks are already out cleaning the streets in our community. Our community is pretty good at it. It is so cold and windy. Can you hear the sound of the wind? When the children are making igloo, I'll go inside home to make hot chocolate for the whole family. We enjoy hot chocolates, put marshmallows or peppermints in it, top it off with whipped cream. Cause it is winter. It is the season to fill up our stomach with comfort foods. Warm soups, roasted chestnuts, sugar cookies, hot chocolates. Winter has defined comfort food to an elegant level. You open the door and you see this winter wonderland. The morning after the snowstorm, it feels like a magic. It warms up your heart. Although it's cold, it's the winter warmth. It is so perfect. It feels unreal. It feels so good. Snow is just so beautiful. It covers everything like a fluffy white blanket and makes for a picturesque panorama. The air is so fresh and crisp. There are so many things we can do during winter that we can't during the 3 other seasons, like sledding, creating snowballs, making a snowman, and much more. Kids are making Frosty the Snowman.
Carving time!
Life is all about spice. You're looking handsome already. Handsome and cute.
Turn that van upside down. And last but not least, the carrot. I mean, the nose. Ta-da!
What about his button?
Got them. Yeah. Not the gumdrop buttons. Button number 2. Number 3. And last but not least, button number 4. Frosty the Snowman. Frosty the Snowman. Oh no. We forgot the lyrics. That's our daddy. Let's go! Wow! Two, three, go! Awesome! 2, 3, go! Wow! Awesome!
Sledding is fun and it's a good workout too. It gives you an adrenaline rush for sure. After doing sledding on our backyard, we decided to go to the suburban hill this year. This hill was steep, more height, more adrenaline rush. Emma went with us. Aisha had so much fun. She kept giggling the whole time.
It's too bumpy.
It's too bumpy?
She's like, I just can do anything.
Yes. Whoa, look at her go.
Yeah.
Good job, Aisha. I'm taking a break. Be nice.
One more time. That green one's gonna be mine now. I'm never giving it back after this.
Look how far he goes. Aisha is so happy.
Afraz, get the owl one.
There we go. Do you two want to go together? Here.
Hold on. Hold it up. Hold it up. Don't move. Ready? Start. This one. And hold this one. This one. Amina, move. Oh my God, Afraz, what are you guys? Okay. Aisha, this way. Aisha, this way.
I'm sure she doesn't hit that.
Okay. Amina, move. Aisha, hold. Wait. Hold tight.
I'm so sick.
Amina, did you like it?
It killed my butt. Very bumpy. What is fun? Frosty, you've been eating a lot because your belly is big. Wait, I know what you've been eating. My mom's favorite food. Santa's heavy kitchen food.
You don't like it? Peekaboo. Ria, show me wings.
You like the snow?
Oh, I know, Ria, I know. Ria.
Is it cold?
It's beautiful, isn't it, Ria?
Say bye-bye.